Wow.
I love it, Mom. Hello, family. Welcome back to the channel, CHANNE'S Cooking.
No, it's not Channes cooking. It's Layla and Caden's cooking.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have my amazing kids in the kitchen with me and they're so excited to share a recipe with you. We have Miss Layla.
Hi.
And we have Sir Caden.
Hi.
And what are you guys making today?
Smoothie Popsicle.
Are you making smoothie popsicle too, Caden?
Yes.
What fruits do you have that you're gonna put in your smoothie popsicle?
I have mangoes, pineapples, frozen blueberries, and bananas.
And bananas. Do you have some milk there too? What kind of milk is that?
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. And Miss Layla, what do you have? What fruits do you have?
I have bananas, strawberry, mangoes, and peach.
And peach. Nice. And what kind of milk are you using today?
Almond milk.
Almond milk. Guys, it's the summertime and as you can see, my kids are all dressed in yellow because they say they want to represent the sunshine, and we know that the sun brings some warmth. So they are so excited to share their smoothie popsicle with you today. Right, guys?
Yes.
Yes, and this is the perfect way to get your kids to even eat their fruits. So let's get started. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now they're gonna be pouring their fruits into the blender. And for each fruit that they have, it's a half a cup. Go ahead, guys, put your fruit into the blender. Okay guys, so now that you're done making your smoothies, what are you gonna do now?
Pour the smoothie in the popsicle tray.
Oh yes, and who's gonna go first?
Me.
Me. Okay, Caden's gonna go first. Go ahead, Caden.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, now we're gonna cover the popsicle tray.
And now I'm gonna put the popsicle sticks inside.
Okay guys, now it's time to see the results of your hard work. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Take your popsicles out.
Wow.
I love it, Mom.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.